Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Wood Revival. Today I've got this awesome vintage draft desk that's seen better days. It's pretty beat up. One of the panels on the top is split and it looks like there used to be more attached to the side here. There's also a burnt patch underneath. I'm not sure what happened there. The guy I got it off said it had been in his shed for the last 20 years and he was about to throw it in the trash. I'm glad I could save it. Let's see if we can clean it up. First things first, let's give it a clean with some Simple Green to remove all the dirt and grime. Next, dismantling. I pulled all the drawers out and took all the brass fittings off to clean them up. The handles needed a bit of TLC, so I soaked them in vinegar water mixed with boiling water. I let it sit for 30 minutes and I scrubbed them with steel wool. They came out looking much better, but I decided to throw a few coats of gold spray paint on them to make them shine. Now for that split on the top. I squeezed some wood glue down the split, then I used bar clamps to squeeze everything together, then I left it to dry overnight. Don't forget to clean up that squeeze out. The next day I came back and I removed the clamps and I used a scraper to scrape off any glue I missed. The top of the desk was in a bad way and I needed to take a lot off to remove all the marks, so I used a belt sander with a 120 grit. The belt sander got it pretty smooth, but there were still a few marks, so I mixed up some oxalic acid and gave the stains a light scrub and then let it sit a while before rinsing with fresh water. Up next I filled the deeper marks that I couldn't sand out with some wood filler. I was almost finished with the filler and all of a sudden there was a fight outside my shed. I had to go break it up. Don't worry, no one was hit. The top was super light when I'd finished sanding, so I applied a walnut dye to give it a bit more volume. I forgot to hit record for this part, but here's how it came out. Once the dye had dried, I applied Danish oil to everything. Finally, I put everything back together. Let's have a quick reminder of how this started. This desk was beat up, tired, and almost in the trash. And now, what a transformation. That walnut stain on the top, paired with the gold handles, really gives the desk so much more character. I'm stoked as I could give this piece another lease on life. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY Wood Revival content.